Hello. Today I will be addressing an issue the whole world is facing and has been facing for quite some time. That issue is plastic pollution and its negative effects on marine biodiversity life. It is said that by the year 2050, the amount of plastic in the ocean will exceed the amount of fish. Our future generations will not get the luxuries we have the privilege to enjoy. Some of these luxuries include safely swimming in the ocean, and sightseeing dolphins, sea turtles, and countless other activities that surround marine life. Instead, our generation will be swimming in an ocean full of plastic and pollution instead of fish. They'll be looking at pictures of extinct aquatic animals such as dolphins, whales, sea turtles, and many others instead of observing them in real life. It is said that by the time we are all 50 years old, there will be no fish in the ocean if things continue down this path. This means that future generations will never get to experience the wonders of ocean life and all it has to offer. From a global standpoint, it means that there will not be enough fish on the earth to sustain those individuals who rely on the fishing industry. In addition, the birds that rely on the fish to keep them alive slowly will start to die off because their food supply is gone, thus continuing the negative domino effect. According to the Center of Biological Diversity, billions of pounds of plastic can be found in the ocean. If all that plastic in the ocean were to be brought to the top, it would cover about 40% of the ocean's surface. Plastic has been a growing issue in our environment since before the 1960s, and it needs to be resolved before it is too late. The plastic pollution in our ocean is a growing problem that is now being considered a crisis. Many people ask why plastic pollution continues to increase if people know that this is a serious issue. Well, fossil fuel industries are increasing plastic production by 40%. Oil giants are building petrochemical plants which turn gas into plastic, which means more air pollution and more plastic in our oceans. Big companies and corporations such as Coca-Cola and Pepsi continue to use plastic in their everyday products and packaging. Industries and large corporations worldwide have acknowledged that this is a problem and that it is causing our marine biodiversity life to slowly die. But they still continue their normal operations. To avoid any further damage to our marine biodiversity life, everyone needs to work together as a collective unit to reverse the plastic pollution we have caused and save our marine life. This slide illustrates once again that by the year 2050, there will be more plastic than fish in the oceans. The picture on the top right of your screen shows what the bottom of the ocean floors will look like if this issue continues to go unresolved. The picture on the bottom right of your screen shows what the oceans will look like for our future generations if this issue still continues. This is a portrait of the marine biodiversity life. Now picture this with no fish, no animals, no whales, just plastic. To start taking steps to eliminate plastic in our oceans, all governments should regulate the use of plastic under the Clean Water Act. Big corporations should work together to figure out a worldwide alternative to plastic in their products. Citizens should always use reusable bags or get charged for extra for using plastic. They should recycle when using any kind of plastic or even avoid products that contain plastic. Individuals can also cease investing in companies who disregard their carbon footprint, in the hopes that it will send a message to those specific corporations to join the fight to stop plastic pollution that is negatively affecting our marine biodiversity life. We have hit a tipping point, and thankfully many corporations and societies are starting to take notice and take action to change the detrimental path we are currently on. If governments, corporations, and citizens like ourselves can start working together, we can make a difference. There is still time to reverse our course and put ourselves on a path to restoring a vibrant ocean life before it is too late. Thank you.